think the most is that I really matter as a person and a patient, that I understand everything that's going to be involved in the treatment, and that I know that I'm going to be really personally well treated, very reassured, and I'm going to look fantastic when I come out.
It just feels like a little break from reality. And I always know that whenever I leave, I'm going to love the effect after. I'm going to love the look that she's achieved for me.
The best thing about being a patient at Dr. Rachel's is just feeling like I'm in really safe hands, that she really cares about what it is that I want out of the whole process, and that she's there with advice whenever I need it. I've really gotten to know Rachel over the few months that we've been working together, and I'm going to continue coming to see her because she knows what it is that I want. I feel like I can really trust her advice, and actually she's just a really nice person to spend some time with.
I think it's a big part of it for me is the mental load of looking after my skin has sort of gone now. Before, I was really conscious of it all the time, worrying about how it looked, worrying about the fact that I'm getting older and it's only going to get worse. Whereas now I know that it's in her capable hands and I don't have to even give it any thought. I've got my treatments at home that I do, and I've got my appointments that I come to Dr. Rachel for, and I know that it's all in hand. Plus also she's lovely, so it's a nice break from the kids and the job and everything to come and have my treatments with her and have a little chat and a laugh.
I love most about being a patient of Dr. Rachel's is that every time you come, she always makes you feel at ease. And we have a good laugh and a chat, and she does her magic, and you go away feeling super.
I know that if something wasn't going to be beneficial to me, that she wouldn't do it. She's just got so much information and she's forever learning. She wants to, if she's going to do something that will benefit her clients, then she will do it. She will look into that, but she's not going to waste our money on something that's not going to work.
For me, it's really important when you're having a medical procedure of any type that you really understand and you trust in the person that's going to be performing that procedure. Dr. Rachel has a wealth of knowledge. She's a GP. She completely understands the effects that the treatment is going to have on your body, and that's really reassuring. I'm not entirely sure you would want to go to anybody who doesn't understand your physical makeup. So for me, not only is it about the treatment that you have, but knowing if there's going to be any issues, knowing that you can call Dr. Rachel if you're concerned about anything. So that to me is really important, and it's just the overall experience.
My strongest reasons for continuing to work with Dr. Rachel instead of going to other clinics is the results that I've had. It wouldn't make any sense for me to go and find somebody else now, because I'm happy with the treatment plan. I'm happy with coming to see her and the experience that I have when I come to see her. And the results are great, so why would I go anywhere else?
My reasons for choosing Dr. Rachel is purely the fact that I know her work now. Every confidence in her, in what she can do. I would not ever go anywhere else. And if anybody was asking about treatments I had, I would tell them only to go to Dr. Rachel and nowhere else.
But for me, it's the advice that she gives me every single time. She will never, because she knows I want to go for a natural look, Rachel will always, fully consult me in that end result. I don't have to know the ins and outs of it. I just know she's never going to overdo the treatment. And I think that especially in this area where trends can be quite extreme, I would be really worried about going to a therapist or a practitioner, because I'd be scared of what that could look like. And with Rachel, from the first time, even just that consultation, I just knew that wasn't ever going to be the look. You can see from how Rachel looks, she goes for a really gorgeous natural look.